Good morning, folks. It's Master Christian coming at you. Okay, I got this message this morning. It says, I learned this from Master Christian. Very interesting. Let's take a look.
Sit. Little boy. Down. No. Down. No. Down. Little boy.
Okay. I see. It's okay. We're working. Puppy paying a lot of attention. Okay.
He got it. He's just a puppy. He's still learning. Come on. No. Come. No, sit. No.
Good boy.
See how he stay. I'm getting his attention. See, and I don't want to stand over top of him because I don't want him to feel like I'm dominating him. So I try to stand to the side to give him the command.
Okay, puppy still paying attention. What you guys think? I'm just
Okay? I've had this dog for maybe 3 to 4 weeks now, and he's already doing this off leash. This is no reinforcement. This is no treats. I'm not giving him any treats for him to do what I tell him to do. He's doing it because I have taught him, and he's understanding, and we're here. No treats. I am the treat. Yeah, boy.
lots of love.
You don't need treats to teach a dog how to do what you need them to do. You just need a little bit of love, a little bit of direction. Be the best you.
So, folks, for a dog that I've never seen, never met, never touched, what you think? I think he's doing pretty good myself. Enjoy your day.